up, Crypto Warriors? It's Talking Crypto back at it again. It is the 29th of January, 2021. Friday the 29th, 2021. Let's get into it. All right. I'm here on CoinMarketCap. I know I typically use CoinGecko, but I'm here on CoinMarketCap, and this is just super funny. The number one spot, or number zero spot, goes to Wall Street Bets, WSB. And look at that chart over the past 7 days. Just up and to the right, baby. Up and to the right. Amazing. This is so cool. We're living in amazing times now, people. The game has changed, and the little guy has a leg up. And if you've been in the crypto space for a while, we've already had a leg up, right? Because we've been here. So Wall Street is buying our bags from us right now, okay? Or they're just pumping our bags because we won't sell. So either way, we're winning. So right now we have Bitcoin up 11% over the 7 days, 2% for the 24 hours, and ETH, same thing. We have Polkadot. That retracement is coming. Might be a good time to pick some up. Not financial advice. Ripple or XRP is up 2% over the week, 6% over the past 24 hours. Cardano trading sideways. Chainlink down a little bit past 24 hours. Litecoin up a little bit. Bitcoin Cash and Binance Coin. And Doge is dropping right now. It's still up though over the week, 500% and almost 200% over the past 24 hours. I hope people are taking profits. Don't be a bag holder like me from 2017. Don't be a bag holder of Doge. Take your profits. I already got my half a Bitcoin from Doge, so I'm good. All right? Take your profits, man. Take your profits. Okay? If you put a little 200 in there, a little 300, and you're up a lot, like, hey, you're winning. We don't know if this thing is going to. They're claiming, the WSB guys, right? They're claiming that they're going to push Doge all the way up to $1. However, if we've been in the space, know that the circulating supply and the coins that are mined every block, which is every minute, every 60 seconds, 10,000 coins are released into the wild. There is no cap on Doge. It's going to have a hard time getting up to $1. I'm not trying to dissuade or discourage anyone. I'm just telling you I've been here before. I've held the bag, and Doge always pumps during bull and bear markets. Doge always pumps. Whenever there's a pump or somebody tweets about something, it always gets a pump. So it's always good to have a little bit of Doge sitting on the side for when it does pump, you make a quick, 100, 200% or something like that, right? Not financial advice, but this is what Doge is. It's a meme coin, and I just don't want to see anybody buying at the top. Like, I know people were buying at 8 cents last night, thinking that this thing was going to continue to pump. Just be careful out there. Big news while we're here. Elon Musk, in his bio on Twitter, one word, #Bitcoin. Big news. And someone called Documenting Bitcoin, does being short the dollar count? Because I'm guilty. This whole tweet, let me see if I could find the whole tweet, right? Where is the damn tweet? No, I can't find it anymore. But it was a tweet from this person here. And anyway, Elon stated that the dollar is shorting itself. Like, if that's not bullish on Bitcoin, I don't know what is. And we're seeing right now, because of this, Bitcoin has been having this pump since he put it in his bio. It actually went up 20% for the day. It's quite a retracement right now. But it's big news. Dogecoin's price skyrockets 325%. Wrong. It skyrocketed like 800%. Crypto fueled by Elon tweets and Redditors. Like, it's crazy the times we live in. Next, this comes from Bitcoin.com. Guggenheim Investments Scott Minerd says there is insufficient institutional support to sustain Bitcoin prices above $30K This is the same Scott Minerd who, I think it was in December, he was on Bloomberg and blurted out that Bitcoin is going to 400K during this cycle. Like, yeah, Bitcoin's going to go to 400K. And we're looking to get into Bitcoin right now. Now, why is he fudding the place? Is it because Guggenheim didn't get the clearance from the SEC to buy Bitcoin and hold it in their fund? I wonder. Because he let the cat out the bag too early, thinking that he was going to get in before this big pump, and he didn't get in before the pump. So now he's going to FUD it as much as possible, right? He's going to FUD it as much as possible to keep the prices down. This way, Guggenheim could buy Bitcoin at reasonable prices. At the prices, nothing really higher than 35K. All right. As Bitcoin struggles to kickstart yet another record-breaking rally, Scott Minerd, CIO at Guggenheim Investments, says this could be down to the inadequate institutional support. According to Minerd's assessment, this lack of sufficient institutional investors support means it will be hard for Bitcoin to trade above 30K. Minerd, who has previously predicted a maximum price of 400K for Bitcoin, says the current investor base is not big enough to support a valuation above 30K. Like, why are you funding it? It's all the reasons I gave before. You know that Bitcoin is going to go to 400K because of your own research. However, you're just trying to FUD it right now. This is manipulation. This is why Wall Street bets, right, exists. This is the reason why. Because Wall Street has been betting against us their whole existence. And now the regular people, the retail investors, have all the same tools, have all the same knowledge, have all the same information, and we are basically doing better fundamental research than these losers over there on Wall Street. Next, Wall Street perma-bear predicts stock market crash, says Bitcoin cannot be ignored as he taunts gold. Long-term Wall Street bear and Bitcoin holder Dice David Tice predicts that the stock market will crash fall by 30%. I don't know why I read it like that. In a retreat that will persist for 2 years. So he's predicting a 2-year bear market in the regular stock market. We'll see if the Federal Reserve will allow that to happen. Although the veteran investor is not given the specific commencement date for this downturn, he warns that when it breaks, it's likely to break hard and cause investors to suffer for a long time. All right, so he holds Bitcoin, and he's saying that what we're seeing right now in Bitcoin is just a precursor to what's going to happen to gold. I don't know about all that. I don't hold gold. You know, I have a few coins here or there from back in the day, but nothing crazy. So I don't know about all that, but yeah, he's saying that this big run right now for Bitcoin is what's going to happen to gold, and predicting a big crash. Next, coming from Cointelegraph. Look at this artwork, man. This is funny. Ripple demands to know why Ether isn't a security as XRP defense gets desperate. So they're trying to throw Ether under the bus, and you see the artwork here with the big Ripple coin in the fire in Hades, and ETH is going after them with his sword and his stake. All right, let's get down to it. Ripple's case before the SEC is threatening to have major, ripple effects. That was so corny. For the industry. On January 29, Ripple Labs filed its response to the SEC complaint. Ripple has many times before argued that XRP is not a security, i.e. an investment in Ripple, and is therefore not in the SEC's jurisdiction. Ripple is moreover prepared to drag the rest of the industry into its fight to make its case. This is what Ripple representative said. The SEC has clearly picked two winners and ignored a growing and robust industry that is much larger than Bitcoin and Ether. In addition to discovery, we will seek directly in the lawsuit. We filed a Freedom of Information Act request for more information about how the SEC determined the status of Ether as a non-security. One of the problems in the world is we always worried about what the next person is doing, right? sometimes it's good to just mind your own business and worry about what you're doing. Worry about yourself and basically your family. You know, like, I don't want to get too deep here, but just worry about yourself. If everyone took care of themselves, the world would be a better place. Don't worry about what the next person is doing. Don't be jealous of the next person. Don't be, minding the next person's business. Worry about yourself, and the world would literally be a better place. All right? That's just my 2 cents on that, or my 2 sats on that. But to try to bring down ETH when it's clearly not a security, it's because there were founders for ETH, and we know who those founders are. Now, there was a founder and creator of Bitcoin. No one knows who that person is. That's why Ripple can't bring Bitcoin down with them, because there is no one to send a letter to or to find out who that person is or whatever the case is. But we know who the creators of Ethereum is, from Joe Lubin to Vitalik to Charles Hoskinson to the guy that's doing Polkadot right now. I forgot his name off the top of my head. But we know who those people are, and we know who their investors were and all that stuff. And in the beginning, it probably was a security, but it's definitely not now. But yeah, I'm not going to go off on a tangent on this, but it's crazy to see that XRP or Ripple is trying to bring ETH into their fight. It might be a good strategy. It might not be. We will see. Next, speaking of Ethereum, again from Cointelegraph, Ethereum will become the main asset for investors in 2021. That's why Ethereum is my number 2 pick for 2021. Check those videos out. All right. That's why Ethereum is my number 2 pick. All right. So during the second half of 2020, we saw a growing interest in cryptocurrencies from institutional investors and big capital. However, all the attention of the whales, as well as the attention of the public, was fixed on Bitcoin. Today, we will look at why ETH is a more attractive asset, and why why this cryptocurrency should become the first cryptocurrency for every investor. So he's talking about, give a price chart, saying that, hey, we're in price discovery mode right now because we broke the all-time high. And the demand for developers. One of the things about Ethereum is they have the most developers on their platform. Ethereum is the number 1 platform for building blockchain projects and launching decentralized applications. The chart below displays the number of unique ERC20 tokens traded during the first years since the launch of the Ethereum network. And here it is back in the ICO days, and it's just been growing and continues to grow. To build on ETH, you're going to need Ethereum's, you're going to need ETH to pay for gas and to have things move on Ethereum. So that will drive the price alone. And next, growing transaction volume. During 2020, more than $1 trillion worth of transactions were recorded on the Ethereum blockchain. These figures exceed the transaction volume of payments giants like PayPal, which is used by over 350 million users and has with average volumes that do not generally exceed 200 billion per quarter. PayPal has the population of the United States on their platform, but only do 200 billion per quarter, while Ethereum just in 2020 did $1 trillion in transactions. That's insane. And you know what drove that was all that DeFi craze during the spring and summer. All right, so Ethereum transaction historical chart, and that's the chart right there. Development of the DeFi sector. Despite Bitcoin's leadership in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum remains the leader of the young decentralized finance industry. Highly popular in the summer of 2020, DeFi lending and staking projects continue to grow and attracting new investments. The total value locked in decentralized finance since the beginning of 2020 has grown nearly 3,300%, from $687 million to $23.2 billion, and growing. The TVL locked in DeFi projects is continuing to grow, and it's insane. So that alone is going to help to drive the Ethereum price up, because people are locking up their ETH. And let's not forget, people are locking up their ETH as well to stake it on ETH 2.0, which will be locked up for many years, for 2 to 3 years. Insane. We're going to see a price pump come for Ethereum real soon. Current supply of stablecoins. Everybody build their stablecoin on Ethereum. Yes, they're like Tether, the biggest stablecoin, built their stablecoin on Ethereum and many other blockchains as well. However, all other stablecoins are built on Ethereum. All right, it's everything is built on Ethereum. So let's discuss it in the comment section below. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts on Ethereum being the #1 asset for investors for 2021? XRP trying to drag Ethereum in the dirt with them. We have a Wall Street bear saying that a big crash is coming for Wall Street, and gold is going to pump because of what Bitcoin has done recently. And the FUDster over here at Guggenheim trying to FUD the market up to drop the price of Bitcoin. And last but not least, Dogecoin and Elon Musk, and just this crazy pump that we had over the last 24 to 72 hours. It's Ultra Crypto. Thanks for watching. Smash that like, hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'm out. Peace.